Hello everyone, I'm Kallol Dahal, and in today's class we are going to learn about Leaflet and rules and regulations from grade 7 English. So let's begin. Unit 10, Reading 1. What to do if someone is sick in your household. Here we have been given a brochure to make us aware about COVID-19. So let's look at it. First of all, what do we need to do if someone is sick with COVID-19? Isolate the sick person. Prepare a separate room or isolated space and keep distance from others. Keep the room well ventilated and open windows frequently. 2. Reduce contact with the virus. Identify one household member to be the contact person who is not at high risk and has the fewest contacts with people outside. Wear a medical mask if in the same room as the sick person. Use separate dishes, cups, eating utensils and bedding from the sick person. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. 3. Take care of the sick person. Monitor the sick person's symptoms regularly. Pay special attention if the person is at high risk for serious illness. Ensure the sick person rests and stays hydrated. Call your healthcare provider immediately if you see any of these danger signs: difficulty breathing, confusion, loss of speech or mobility, chest pain. So this brochure has been published by World Health Organization. Now let's go to the exercise. Match the words with their corresponding meanings. Isolated, away from others. Ventilated, allowed fresh air to enter and move around a room. Disinfect, to clean something using a substance that kills bacteria. Symptoms, changes in your body or mind that show that you are not healthy. Hydrated, made somebody take in and hold water. Utensils, devices or tools used in kitchens. Now answer the following questions would be your homework. Reading 2. Central Zoo, Jawaharlal, Lalitpur. Rules. Respect the animals. Please treat the zoo animals with the respect they deserve. Do not yell at or taunt the animals. Do not bang on their enclosures and do not throw objects into their habitats. Respect your boundaries. Never cross any fence or barrier in the zoo. Do not try to touch the animals. If an animal has teeth, it can bite. If an animal has claws, it can scratch. This is for the safety of both our visitors and our animals. Do not feed the animals. The animals at Central Zoo have veterinarian approved and formulated diets to ensure their health and well-being. Human food may make them sick. Note: you may feed the animals that participate in the Feed Your Friends program with approved food purchased from the gift shop. No smoking. To decrease fire hazards and ensure the safety and health of the animals, guests and staff, smoking is not permitted inside the zoo. This includes the parking lot too. No pets. All pets are prohibited in the zoo to protect both the zoo animals and your animals. It should have been both the zoo animals and you. Children must be supervised at all times. We get it. Kids are adventurous and like to wander. However, we want your kids to stay safe. Keep an eye on them and make sure they are supervised at all times. Any individual under the age of 16 must be accompanied by an adult when visiting the zoo. So this text was all about rules and regulations, specifically the rules and regulations that we need to follow when we are in Central Zoo in Jawaharlal, Lalitpur. Let's go to the exercises now. Identify from the above text the single word that means the following: to utter a loud cry, scream or shout, yell. A remark made in order to anger, wound or provoke someone. Taunt, dangers or risks, hazards. Being forbidden, prohibited. Now using these 4 words, we need to fill in the given blanks. I'm very sure you'd be able to do this along with true or false and question answers. Now let's go to grammar. Study the following sentences. You can put your shoes there. You are allowed to put your shoes there. You can't leave your car there. It's a no parking zone. So this is also similar to rules and regulations, what you can and you can't do. Complete the sentences with the correct words, phrases. You can use the words more than just once. Try this once. Now let's look at C. Complete the B sentences using can, could, might, must, plus given verbs from the brackets as given in the example. Example: I'm hungry, but you have just had lunch. You can't be hungry already. I haven't seen our neighbors for ages. No, they must be in their house. I saw them in the morning. What's the weather like? Is it raining? Not at the moment, but it might rain later. So in this way, I'm sure you'd be able to do the remaining ones as well. Writing 2. Here are some rules for school students. Complete the sentences with appropriate words. You may need to use negative forms as well. You dash attend every lesson. You have to attend every lesson. You must attend every lesson. So this way, let's write must. You dash be even 1 minute late. You can't be even 1 minute late. So this way, let's do the remaining ones as well. With that, we come to the end of our today's class. How was it for you? If you have any suggestions suggestions or advices, please get back to us at learning@dearwalk.edu.np. Until we are back with another lesson in the similar kind of a class, have fun and goodbye.